So karon atong i-continue ang atong discussion sa quadratic formula application. So nakasolve na tag duha ka example, karon atong solve ni ikatulong example. So ang atong ikatulong example, we are given x squared minus 5x minus 7 equal to 0. Okay? So gamit lang taglaing suwatanan. Okay, so muna siya ang given. X squared minus 5x minus 7 equal to 0. So, first, kay na naman na siya sa kuan, standard form. Or ang unang buhaton nimo imong yung inspection ng given kung naka-standard form na ba na siya. Kung wapa, imo sang i-transform into its standard form equivalent. And then after that, just find out what is your A. Ngitaon na mo kung sa A diha. So, kay ba man ta ka ng A, mo na si coefficient sa atong first term, ang variable na exponent nga 2. Okay? Yang atong B, mo na siyang coefficient sa atong second term or middle term, which is minus 5. And atong C, mo na siyang atong third term, minus 7. Okay? After that, just write down the formula or the quadratic formula. So, i-write down na siya. Kaya mga naman na itong sundan. So, sa may quadratic formula na to. So, ang quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, muna itong quadratic formula. So, din na ito i-substitute ang atong mga mga values sa A, B, and C. Okay, substituting. X equal to minus, ang atong B is minus 5. Naagin siya minus daan ha. Plus, be careful kay mo ni usual nga masaypan ba kining dili maki over ng sign diha. Plus square root of, again, B is minus 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times C equal to minus 7. Then divided by 2 times 1. So X is equal to minus minus, so may mo siyang plus 5. So, plus and minus, square root of negative 5. So, square na siya. So, 25. Then, 4 times 1 times minus 7. So, minus minus. So, mahimo siyang plus. 4 times 7, 28. Divided by 2 times 1 equal to 2. Or, x is equal to 5 plus and minus square root of, this is 25 plus 28, 53. So, square root of 53 all over 2. So, taking plus, taking plus, so we have x equal to 5 plus square root of 53 divided by 2. So, pwede nang i-transform into a decimal or pwede sa mo na imong answer. At taking minus, so we have x equal to 5 minus square root of 53 over 2. So, after checking, no, kaya mo nang i-substitute diri sa kuan atong given equation. Kung proven nimo nga left side equal to right side or the left equal to 0, then your answers are correct. So these are the values for x. So mo ni siya itong roots or mo ni atong solution or the zeros of our polynomial. So after checking, no, after you check, substitute na inyo diha. So mo conclude mo, therefore x is equal to 5 plus square root of 53 over 2, and the other one is 5 minus square root of 53 divided by 2. So, muna siya itong final answer. Okay, so any question? So, dili perming ang answer na to simple form. Kaya siya medyo complicated pagamay kay na pa may square root niya. Kaya mo nitong i-transform into decimal. So, kuha ulit mong square root of 53. I-add mo 5 divided by 2. So, na kay answer in terms of decimal numbers. Okay, so that's all. And I hope you've understood it. Salamat. See you in the next video.